Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I will show you my last creation made in Lego. This is an aircraft carrier, but it's a special build. At first look, it seems like a normal aircraft carrier, but if you take a closer look, you can see that it's a motorized aircraft carrier. In fact, she has two motors and two propellers. If you switch on this lever, you can see a green light, which appears also in the IR receiver. That means that you can control your ship with two motors, one each side, connected on two propellers, controlled by this remote control. Every propeller works lonely, so you have two propellers, and this means that the ship is very maneuverable and it reaches a quite high speed. The propellers are connected to the motor with two elastics. But how it works inside? Removing these two plates, you can see the battery box. You can switch on and off it with this lever. The battery box is connected to the IR receiver. Switching on the battery box means that you also switch on the IR receiver. And finally, let's remove these plates on the aft of the ship. Here you can see two motors connected with two axes on the propellers. Switching on the battery box, and they works with radio control, of course. Well, this is everything for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and leave like. I know this is not the best creation I've made, and I can do something better. But it's a good result for the first time. Thanks for watching.